to fix Instagram DM glitch. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing the issue of DM glitch, then simply follow these steps to solve your problem. The first step is to open the Play Store app and search for Instagram. Then if you find the update button, you simply want to tap on that option. Updating your application will help to fix any bugs that is on your app, and then your DM glitch will be fixed. If it is still not fixed after this, then you want to open up your settings, then go to apps and now search for Instagram. Here you want to tap on storage, then tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option to delete all of Instagram's data. Then log into your account and check if this issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then there is still one more thing that you can do. Open up the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Account Type and Tools. Then from here tap on Switch to Professional Account. Tap on Continue to all of this. Then select any random category and tap on Done. Tap on Next. And now give this page a refresh, and now you have been switched to your professional account. Now tap on the three lines again and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Creator Tools and Control, then tap on Switch Account Type. Now tap on Switch to Personal Account. Tap on Switch to Personal Account again for confirmation, and once you have switched back to Personal Account, this issue of Instagram glitch will be fixed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.